There was an issue about, okay, you gave us your number, the other till number, and the bank account, but also people were asking about the PayPal. If her PayPal is working, do you have access to the PayPal?
No, you know about the PayPal? They are holding. If I can screenshot and send it to, they are holding the amount. So I'm not able to withdraw the amount as I intend. And I think there will be a problem in future. If possible, please, they can forward to my number. They can use either MoneyGram, yes, or Western Union, yes, or they can use even World Remit.
World Remit, okay.
They can use that World Remit. But for PayPal, I think there will be a problem. Okay. I have all the details that they are holding, asking me. I don't know what they want from me anyway.
Okay. Yeah, there's been